We are changing a lot of things in this condo, including the kitchen that you see behind me. That whole kitchen coming off. It's a small place, but I think it's gonna look beautiful. This whole fireplace gonna change. We're gonna build new millwork, a new lighting layout, so new RCP. Yeah, I cannot wait for you to see the final. Today I'm here at this job site. I'm finalizing my measurement for the millwork before it gets to the production. As you can see, the ceiling has been flat, the wiring for electrical has been done, the new light for the ceiling all has been done. The popcorn ceiling got flat and the first coat of paint is completed on the ceiling. The drywalls and framing for the fireplace is completed. The project looks good in general, and I'm just gonna double check and then we'll go to the next phase. We are at Ames Tile and Stone, and I'm here to choose tiles for different projects. I'm gonna choose a tile for fireplaces and bathrooms.
Sun going down to the skies. All I want is to be there with a new state of mind, a place I've never heard of. I will walk like a nomad. I've been stuck inside my house too long. Can't stand being all alone, wasting hours on my phone. I'm ready to go now.
Project. At this point, the walls has been painted, the ceiling light has been installed, the flooring has been done, and we are installing the kitchen. The kitchen boxes are here. They're working on the installation as well as the tiles that's going on top of the fireplace. The tile that I chose is beautiful gray tile. It looks like concrete. It has a gorgeous pattern, and I cannot wait for you to see it.
Wow, that looks good. Oh my God, this looks amazing. We are at final stage of the construction. As you can see, a lot of things has been done. The kitchen has been installed, the countertop has been installed. I went with two-tone cabinets, as you can see, the off-white with a laminate that looks like wood, and I combined that with the black accent, and I used the black accent in the faucet, in the lighting, which I love. I love these pendants that they do have the light travels through the top and bottom. I also use the handles. They're very seamless. I have them as an accent. Right now we are just waiting for the top of the hood fan to get cut. That needs to get installed. Gorgeous backsplash. It's a subway tile, but it does have a little bit of texture. It does have a little bit of that gray and white mixed into the backsplash, so it's not very plain. It's a small kitchen. I extended the kitchen a little bit bit more toward the dining area, so I wanted to make it wider so two people can work very easily over here. So if one person is standing where the sink is and one person is cooking, they don't bump into each other. We're still waiting for the fridge handle to get installed and some minor changes and adjustment on the cabinets. In this kitchen, I used drawer as much as possible. I think using drawer in the kitchen is always more functional. For the countertop, I went with waterfall countertop on the edge because this is a high traffic area, and as people walk in or they bringing stuff, I just didn't want the side of the cabinet get damaged. This is a dining section, and if you remember, there was a fan over here. We removed that and we have this gorgeous seamless pendant. It's very modern and sleek, and I have that in 2-tier. The dining table gonna go over here, and we brought the island all the way to this column. There was a post over here that we had. We brought it all the way to the edge, and I used this little corner to have some extra shelf for extra space for decoration. A key in this design is amount of lighting. We added so many PA light in the ceiling, and as you can see, the area is very bright. It feels much brighter than what it was before, and that's a key when you are living in a small space. The brighter it is, the space is gonna look bigger. There was a very old fireplace here. We removed that, and this is a brand new fireplace with shelving on a side. We matched the shelving with the kitchen area, and for the tile, it has a beautiful concrete looking tile. TV gonna go here. With the electrical fireplaces, one thing that is cool is you can have the TV as low as you want to feel comfortable when you're sitting in a couch, so the TV become an eye level. The flooring has been changed. It's gorgeous. It has a very nice wood pattern. This is not wood, by the way. It's vinyl flooring, but it's stunning. It's very pretty and neutral. I think overall the project looks very pretty, and I'm very happy with the result. I'm hoping you guys like it too. Bye. See you next time.